Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, entertainment gossip. Nje, if you're someone who likes izindaba ezishisape, this is the channel for you. Guys, I almost got arrested for the second time. There's a story time on this channel where I was sharing how I almost got arrested. Yes, let me just give you a background story of the first time around. So first time I almost got arrested. We were at a club drinking, and then the person that we were with, the person that was driving was drunk, and then we were stopped by the police, and then we were taken to the police station, guys. Hey, Sana, and we were all drunk, and they were like, "You guys are drunk in Tontontoni," And I think maybe they were supposed to arrest the person that was driving, not us, but we were all taken to the police station, Sana, and then we were released in the morning. That's just a background story of what happened. Then I almost got arrested now for the second time, guys. That's one thing. What happened, this time around? So I had an interview, and then during this interview, guys, must really when you go to an interview, they want your certified copies of maybe qualifications, the ID and whatnot. So I left my matric certificate at home. I needed the original so that I can certify the copy. Yeah, but so now I call my little sister and I'm like, can you please come with the original copy? I will meet you at this place and then I'll just go to the police station to certify the copy because I needed those documents same day, guys. And I needed to go to the interview same day, and I was like, you know what, if I go back home to fetch my things and then come back to the police station, it's gonna take time and I need to go to the interview. And I'm like, okay, girl, can you please come with my matric certificate? I need to certify sizohlangana endaweni enje. Okay, it's like, okay, fine, I'll meet you there. I meet up with her, she gives me the matric certificate. I go to certify at the police station, and like I'm in a hurry, I didn't even check in what Okay, I get to the police station, I give them what I thought was my matric certificate. I give them the copy and what I thought was the original certificate. Son. The person that is certifying there is just looking at the documents like, and then he's like, "Hey, Sergeant Banban, was born. Sergeant, come and see." Hey, the guy comes and he's like, the guy is calling another person, "Was born, come and see." And I'm like, yo, those people are probably admiring my matric results, Sana. Because during my high school days, I was not playing, Sana. I was not playing. And I'm like, but I'm clever, no? God, Ambuzanga. Bavele bathi ke, can you please come this side? They give me my document, or they didn't give me back my documents. They're like, can you please come this side? And I'm like, Shh. Guys, I'm in a hurry. I need to get to my interview in like, a few minutes or what. I need to go. Like, I don't have time. They're like, no, Sissy, come. I go there. And then they're like, where did you get this matric certificate? I'm like, Kanjani. And the name is written there. It's Zimisele Secondary School. Like, where did I get the matric certificate? Kazutini, And then they're like, hi, sis, do you want to get arrested? I'm like, I'm arrested for what? They're like, Sissy, tell the truth. Where did you get this matric certificate? And I'm like, hey, bo, what do people get matric certificates? How bo ngifundile ngayo esikolweni ngasithola. Ayikho phela enye indlela. And then the person is like, grrr, grrr. So now I like the sergeant or the colonel or what started tearing the and I'm like, hi Rena. And then he's like, you see how easily I managed to tear that up. this is not proper, this is fake. And I'm like, fake? Ebonjani? This person's like, yeah, this is fake. And I'm like, hey, well, Baba, go to the website. I don't know, Department of Education website to check me. I am there on the system. I do have metric. And then I'm showing him my degree certificate. And I'm like, here's my degree certificate, Baba. I was at UJ. Bengizongena kanjani e-UJ without this, without my metric. Like how was I going to be at UJ without the metric certificate? Make it make sense, you know? And then the guy's like, I that certificate from UJ is probably fake also. When you are going to jail. And I'm like, I know, Sana. Ah, yeah, I'm not going to jail, Mina. And then they were like, yeah, when we are giving you 10 minutes to call whoever you want to call. Tell them, good, today you are sleeping under the jail. Yo, guys, azange ndalila kanje. And then I'm crying. I'm like, I'm showing them my guys. You know when you are desperate to prove yourself, like you don't even care. I'm showing them pictures of me in high school. They're like, hey, maybe you did go to high school, but did you pass your metric? Hmm? And they were like, you know what? If you don't reveal the person that sold you this certificate, we are taking you in. And I'm like, guys, please don't do this. I have an interview. I need to get to my interview. I didn't buy anything. Please just go to the website here, Department of Education. Just search me there. I do have a metric at home. I'm calling people now to confirm. And I'm like, and then I remembered which I still have the cell phone number of my high school teacher. And I'm like, I can even call my high school teacher. She can confirm. They're like, no, you can just call anyone to pretend to be your high school teacher, bruh. Wena yolalubaliwe, call people that you want to call because we are taking your cell phone, baba. We must say manje. Oh guys, azange ndakhala kanje. Now I'm crying, my mind is everywhere. I'm just so stressed. And then I took the metric certificate. Ne? I'm looking at it. I turn the page, you know, and when I realize at the back, turns out this is a copy. So there are copies that I made, ne? Colored copies. So these copies had e-color. So the person that was supposed to give me my original certificate, uvele wabona i-color, wavele wathi, this is the original, I'm taking this one. And then because Nami was also in a hurry to check and look whatnot, I just took that certificate and went to the police station without even checking. Oh, Sana, and I'm like, oh. Now I'm starting to realize after trying to explain this whole time, and I'm like, no, I think there's a mistake here. The person that was, you know, I'm explaining Vele the whole story. This is a copy, just put in a color. So the person that was giving me this thought this is what, and the guy was like, oh, okay. Are you done making calls? Because we're now you lalubaliwe. Oh, now I'm begging them, please, please. You can even hold my ID or my cell phone. I can go home and get my original certificate so that you can see that I wasn't trying to do something dodgy. You know, I do have a metric certificate. Just that my sister was in a hurry. I was also in a hurry to check. When I'm even crying, and then Shamgovelo Mama get part of the what there, you know, high places there at the police station. She was like, no, guys, please let her go. Um, mistakes happen, you know, maybe she made a mistake in and then they were like, this is the last time, sis. Next time, please double check. Otherwise, you're going to sleep under the jail. We are tired of people buying metric certificates here. And I was like, guys, I'm really sorry. Next time I will check in Nina. Oh, I didn't even go to that interview, because now I don't have certified copies and I need to go back home to fetch my original certificate to come and certify again. And then check his card, like I was like, you know what? Whatever. I was no longer even in the mood to go to that interview, Sana. I was shaking. Yay. I was so stressed in time. I'm going to get arrested today. Today, I am part of the people that are going to be arrested. Because what do you mean? Hey, Sana, for the second time now, for the second time, ngisinda ukuyolala esitoksini. Yo, Sana. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.